So students, let us start with exercise 13.8, and in this exercise we are going to deal with volume of sphere, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So let us begin it. Find the volume of sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. Again, first bit, radius is given to you 7 centimeter. We need to find the volume. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So we get answer as 4312 by 3, and that will give you 1437 and 1 by 3 centimeter square. In second bit, the radius is given to you 0.63 centimeter. Again, volume 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 63 by 100 into 63 by 100 into 63 by 100. This will give you 1047,816 divided by 100,000,000. So this will give you approximately 1.05 meter square. Now till here it will be centimeter square, but as 2 zeros and more 2 zeros will come, so it will give you meter square. So this way we can move ahead with our sum. Okay, and this was in meter. So next, question number 2. In question number 2, find the amount of water displaced by solid spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeters. So volume of water displaced, again Archimedes principle. Volume of water displaced or any liquid displaced is equal to volume of body immersed. So we have to find volume of the spherical ball, and diameter is given to us. Diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. So radius will be 14 centimeter. So volume of sphere is equal to spherical ball is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 14, and the answer to this will be 11,498.66 centimeter square. Same way in the second bit, diameter is given to you 0.21 meter. So radius is equal to 21 by 200. We can take 100 to remove the decimals and divide by 2 to convert it from diameter to radius. Volume of spherical ball is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 200 into 21 by 200 into 21 by 200. That is equal to, if you calculate it, you will get answer as 0.004851 meter cube. Students, let us start question number 3. Diameter is given 4.2 centimeter diameter is given, so its radius will be 2.1 centimeter. Density is given and we have to find out mass. Formula for finding out mass is density into volume. So we need volume first and then we'll multiply it with density to obtain mass. So volume is equal to, as it is a spherical metallic ball, so 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 10, 21 by 10, 21 by 10. That is equal to 38.808 cubic centimeter. Now if we need mass is equal to density into volume, so that will give you 8.9 into 38.808, that is equal to 345.39 grams. Question number 4. The diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of earth. As in the previous exercise we have done this kind of sum. So what fraction of volume of earth is volume of moon? So we need to find volume of earth by volume of moon. That will be 4 by 3 pi r of what fraction of volume of earth is asked. Okay, so moon will come here and earth will be at the denominator. So radius of earth moon cube by 4 by 3 pi, radius of earth cube, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. Now from this we can also obtain Rm by Re is equal to 1 by 4, like this. So Rm by Re the whole cube is equal to 1 by 4 whole cube, that is equal to 1 by 64. Okay, so we can say that volume of moon is equal to 1 by 64 times volume of earth. Question number 5. Okay, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter, now here diameter again 10.5 centimeters given, so radius will be 105 by 20 centimeter. How many liters of milk? So first let us find out the volume in cubic centimeters. So volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, because it is a hemispherical bowl. So that is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 105 by 20 into 105 by 20 into 105 by 20. That is equal to 303.1875 cubic centimeter. Now this can be converted into liters, so this will be 0.303 liters approximately. So it is question number 5. Now let us move to question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, find the volume of the iron used. So again, hemispherical tank is given to us. Whose thickness is 1 centimeter. This gap is 1 centimeter, and the inner radius is 1 meter. The radius of the inner is 1 meter. So the outer radius will be 1.01 meter. So our inner is equal to 1 meter, our outer is equal to 1.01 meter. So volume of tank is equal to volume of outer bowl or tank minus volume of inner tank, that is equal to 2 by 3 pi RO cube minus 2 by 3 pi RI cube. So this will give you 2 by 3 pi as common, RO cube minus RI cube, that is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, you can substitute a cube plus a cube minus b cube identity if you want. If you don't want, it is okay. 1.01 into 1.01 into 1.01 will give you 1.030301 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.030301. This will give you something 0.063 cubic meter. So this is question number 6, students. Let us move to question number 7. Find the volume of sphere whose surface area is 154. Surface area of a sphere is given to you. So from this we will first find radius. So 4 pi r square is equal to 154. So r square is equal to 154 by 4 into 22 into 7, because pi will come here in the denominator. The value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22 and 7 will go at the numerator. Again 22, 7s are 7 into 7 by 2 into 2. So radius is equal to 7 by 2. That is equal to 3.5 centimeter. We need to find the volume now. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 by 2 by 2 by 2. 7 and 7 cancel. 2, 2, 2. 4 cut, 2 ones are 11s are. So this will give you 49 into 11 divided by 3. So that will give you 179.66, or that is equal to 179 2 by 3 centimeter square cube. Sorry, not square, cube, because it is volume. Now question number 8. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of whitewashing is equal to rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2, rate of whitewashing. Now rate is given to you. Rate of whitewashing is equal to rupees 2 per meter square. So this becomes the rate. So total area painted is equal to cost of painting by rate of painting or whitewashing, whatever you say. That is equal to rupees 498.96 divided by 2. 498.96 divided by 2 will give you 249.48 meters square, because rate was in meter square. So this is the area. Now this area becomes the CSA of the hemisphere. Therefore CSA of hemispherical dome is equal to 249.48. Find first inner surface. So this is the first bit. We find out the inner surface area. Now find the volume of the air inside. So from this we need to find the radius. Second bit, CSA is equal to 249.48. So 2 pi r square is equal to 249.48. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 24948 divided by 100. So therefore r square is equal to 24948 by 100 into 7 by 2 into 22. So r square is equal to, so this will give you 3969 divided by 100. So therefore r is equal to 63 by 10, that is equal to 6.3 meter. Now we need to find volume. The volume of dome is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So that is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 63 by 10 whole cube. So that will give you 523.908 cubic meter. So let us start with next question. Question number 9, students. And question number 9 reads, 27 solid spheres, each of radius r and surface s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Radius of sphere is r and surface area is equal to s. Now here number are 27. Now this is melted to form a big sphere of surface area s dash. So let us take the radius of this large sphere as r dash, and as I previously said you that जब इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आते हैं कि एक को मेल्ट करके दूसरा बनाया जा रहा है, so we need to take the volume of both as same. So volume of 27 small spheres is equal to volume of large sphere. 4 by 3 pi 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. 4 by 3 pi cancel. 3r whole cube is equal to r dash cube, and therefore r dash is equal to 3r. Now we need to also find the ratio of surface area. This was the first bit. So second bit, ratio of s and s dash is equal to s by s dash is equal to 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r dash square. 4 pi cancel. R by 3r whole square, r cancel. The answer will be 1 by 9. So this is question number 9 of exercise 13.8. Question number 10 I leave up to you. It is a simple question. Sphere, the volume of sphere is asked and diameter is given. First get radius and then put in the value 4 by 3 pi r cube. You will get your answer. Thank you, students. By this we end this chapter. Thank you.